Let's make Nature Walk Bracelets! After we saw Nature Walk Bracelets posted on Pinterest, yes, that is our created bracelet posted there, we decided to make our own, and they turned out so whimsical. Get duct tape or masking tape, wrap it around like a bracelet, or in my case, I tried to wrap my whole wrist and hand, go on a walk, and look for and pick twigs, wildflowers, fallen petals, leaves, grass, anything you find growing in the wild, and add to your sticky tape. It's absolutely amazing what you will find wildly growing if you are actually looking. And it's a really fun activity. Remember, do not pick real flowers growing in someone's garden. Only wildflowers growing among weeds and grass.
These flowers are beautiful.
Look at these wildflowers growing in a sidewalk crack. Also, do not pick bluebonnets in the wild because they are super special flowers.
I love flowers and it's my favorite.
Look how fanciful and fun this is turning out. This activity really opens your eyes to how amazing nature is and what it can grow.
I like that blue.
These goats really enjoyed my bracelet.
Hi, beauties. Hello, beauty.
And when you are done, you can set your bracelet outside to dry. This is part of the bracelet that I made last week. Get out in nature and enjoy this simple, easy activity.
Bye.